This is day 3 of my follow along workout series, push-ups. This builds chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. If you're ready, let's get it started. 15 minutes, 5 sets, let's go.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy.
So you shouldn't be doing this.
That's you asking me to
or this.
you.
You should shoot for straight as a board and full range of motion. In all seriousness, though, no matter what fitness level or push-up level you're at, my whole goal is to get you guys to follow along with me on this workout. No matter if you're doing incline push-ups, knee push-ups, push-ups that surpass my level, let's get it together. You know we had to redo this one. Let's go. Push-ups. All right, start it around. Let's go. 1, 2. Didn't work out today. Let's go. Where we at? "20 seconds this side. This side. We're in our catch-up round. We're doing 20 seconds in the middle. Relax. You're half asleep, coffee's waiting for you on the ground. One hand on the mug, one hand on the ground. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. 30 seconds rest. Round of applause for my cameraman. She's doing a great job. Thank you. Bang out 10, let's go. Easy. 2, that's nothing. 3, 4, 5, halfway there. 6, 7, 8, 9. 50 seconds left. Ooh. So second set. Whew. I feel good. I was debating this whole week if I should do my pull-up and push-ups, because sometimes our recording times are inconsistent. And I thought I was gonna miss out on a workout day, but we had to get this video done, so I saved it for today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doing these arm stretches. Oh man, look at the marunggay. So lush. For real. It's our Filipino flag right there. It's been raining a lot. Where are we at? Okay, it's a 30-minute mark to our catch-up round. Switch sides, we're doing other arm. Waiting for the coals to fire up the muscles too. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 30-second rest. Wiggle it out. Ooh, I'm getting scared. 10 seconds. First time we did this, I barely made it, so. All right, let's go. Let's not waste any time. 2, all the way down. 3, no cheating. 4, 6. Yeah, let's stop there. Get some good quality reps. 6. 4 more. Just think about the prize at the end. Nice cold shower, something to eat, cold water, family time. Let's go. Only 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes. 40 seconds left. 4 more. Let's go. 7, 8. Let that thing click. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch-up round. 1 minute. Do this stretch right here. Someone put you on hold? Put that thing on speaker and do some push-ups.
We are currently experiencing a high volume of calls. Your call will be answered in the order that it was received. Thank you.
How am I feeling? I'm tired, guys. Can't even talk right now. I feel like Bruce Willis in Fifth Element. Cop it, my man. Cop it, my man. Just one word answers, okay? I'm tired. 30 seconds.
Now what's up now? This touchdown like, hey, niggas from city be hating them niggas don't show me no love. Hey, It is what it is, cause I'm brushing my shoulders, walk off with a shrug. Ay, the shit is the dog.
Plus, we have a birthday party to go to, so
Why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love?
a lot on the mind. A lot on my mind.
When it's above me, hey, stop for me quick and I promise my niggas will make it get ugly. Ay,
We gotta get this done. 2, 1, let's go. Let's do 4.
I got these people that love me. You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my time. You know I got it. Hey, when I'm round, they now. What's up now? This touchdown. You know I got it. I pull up, I come around.
Let's get some good quality reps in. All the way down. With the rings, I like it clicking because you start like from here, and when you click it, you sort of working out your inner chest too. The rings are cool like that.
Ay, don't got no hoes in my team. Ay, all of my niggas is killers. Ay, all of my niggas is squad. Really been down for the cause. No fake shit, no fake friends. Can't say the same about y'all. I'm minding my business and staying committed. I'm treating this shit like a job. I'm running the muck and I'm caught in the clinic. I don't do the shit for applause. Yeah, you know I got it.
30 seconds left. Is this your 4th set?
Make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Hey, when I'm round, they now. What's up now? This touchdown. You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Hey,
10 seconds left. One more rep.
what's up now? This touchdown.
One nice last rep. All right. Relax. Five, 4, we're gonna do flamingos. 3, 2, 1. Flamingos. Stretch out your quads. And you guys should see my cameraman right now. She's on the ground. She's doing stretches herself. She's working out too. So proud of her. She goes on her treadmill every morning when she's off. 30 seconds. In a boring Zoom meeting, mute that thing and do push-ups. Guys, let's go. Last set. 1, 3. Oh, come on. Finish strong. Let's go. We'll do 2. 30 seconds left. Let's go. 1, 2. Last one. 5 seconds left. A little dizzy, guys. Breathe. Get some oxygen in. Hold your breath. Breathe. Exhale. Okay, last one. 15 seconds left. Well, actually, we got a whole minute. Let's go. Early, guys. We finished early. All right. Do some toe touches for our quads. And that's it, guys. We did it. Just wait for that bell to ring. Just got home from work and the kids are jumping on your back. Drop down and do push-ups. Good. Good. Oh, congratulations, guys. Now we can go back to our family as a better, bigger, stronger version of yourself. Let's go. I don't know what to